Hello and welcome to Pristine Tech School channel. I am very excited to explain the concepts of anonymous class. So, what is anonymous class? It is an inner class without a name and for which only a single object is created. An anonymous inner class can be useful when making an instance of an object with a certain extras such as overloading methods of a class or interface without having to actually subclass a class. So anonymous inner class are useful in writing implementation classes for listener interface in graphic programming. So anonymous class are mainly created in two ways. Let's check that two ways. Like this is my anonymous class or anonymous inner class. So anonymous class are mainly created in two ways. So what are that two ways? One of the way is class and the second way is interface. So we can do anonymous using one of the way, that is class, that may be abstract class or concrete maybe. And second way to do anonymous is interfaces. So now we're going to create the examples related to these ways. So first, let's check the first example. Here I am going to use the first way, that is abstract class. I am going to create one abstract class with the name of burger and in this abstract class I am going to create one method that is also abstract with the name of eat. Now I am going to create main class with the name of food, in which I am creating main method So in this class I am going to create the object of burger class, that is abstract class, like burger inner equals to new burger. So here I am creating one method that I have created in the abstract class eat. I am just overriding that method. And then I am calling the method with the object name like inner.eat. So now let's save this example. With the name of food.java. Now I'm going to compile it and run it, and let's see what's the output. First compile the program. So it's successfully compiled. Now let's see the output by executing. So I'm having the output, that is, this is my example of anonymous inner class. So in this example you can see that how to override the method of a class using anonymous inner class. So here I am creating the object of abstract class, that is burger. So you can see that I am creating here anonymous inner class. So this is the example of anonymous inner class. So guys, I very frequently upload videos on various technologies. I also create videos considering the interview questions in mind. If you have any particular topic on which you want me to create detailed video, let me know in the comment section below. By moving further, now we can see the second way of doing the anonymous class, that is as argument and by using the interfaces. So now instead of here abstract, I'm going to create one interface like same with the name of food. So in this interface I'm creating one string with the name of eat. So this is a eat method having the return type or data type is string. Now I am creating one main class with the name of pizza. Here I am creating one method with the name of display, public void display, in which I am referring that interface food and creating its variable m and printing the statement so I am calling the method eat using the food that I have created interface variable m. So after this I'm adding the string like after the method I'm going to create the main method. So in this I'm going to create the object of pizza class. And using the object I'm calling the method display. And here overriding the method that I have declared in the interface, that is public string eat, as this is my string data type method, so it's going to return me something, that is string. So it's returning me eating. So we're going to close here and let's save this program with the name of pizza. Now let's see what will be the output. Okay, so it's successfully compiled. Okay, so it's giving me the output that is eating delicious pizza. So this is how we can do the anonymous class using interface way. In this I had created one interface food with the method string eat, only declaration having no body, and then I'm creating one void. Here I'm creating the object for food, that is m, and printing the method m.eat with the string. So in main method I am creating one object of this class pizza and calling the display method using this new food. So this is how we are doing the anonymous inner class. Here it's closing the inner class. So this is how you can pass an anonymous inner class to a method argument. So you can see that anonymous class has no name, and second thing, can be instantiated only once, and third thing is us usually declared inside a method or a code block or curly braces ending with a semicolon. So you can see that is accessible only at the point where it is defined, and does not have a constructor simply because it does not have a name, and it cannot be static. So you can see in my example I am not creating any anonymous class as static. So this is all about the anonymous inner classes. Okay guys, so we are having the as well as this YouTube channel, as well as we are having the Facebook page and also blog. So you can refer these concepts as well as many concepts of other programming languages like C, C++, PHP, HTML from there only. So you can refer these pages, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. We very frequently upload the videos, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever there is another super helpful tutorial. Have a good day ahead.